Um, Sir, good morning. Midshipman Alferez. So, Rule 19. Conduct of vessel in restricted visibility. A. These rules apply to vessel not in sight of one another when navigating in or near an area of restricted visibility. B. Every vessel shall proceed at a safe speed adapted to the prevailing circumstances and condition of restricted visibility. A power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. C. Every vessel shall have due regard to the prevailing circumstances and condition of restricted visibility when complying with the rule of section I of this part. D. A vessel which detects by radar alone the presence of another vessel shall determine if a close quarter situation is developing and or risk of collision exists. If so, she shall take avoiding action in some ample time, provided that when such action consists of an alteration of course so far as possible, the following shall be avoided. Number one, an alteration of course to port for a vessel's forward of the beam other than for a vessel being overtaken. Number two, an alteration of course towards a vessel beam or above the beam. E. Except where it has been determined that a risk of collision does not exist, every vessel which hears apparently forward of the beam the fog signal of another vessel, or which cannot avoid a close quarter situation with another vessel forward of her beam, shall reduce her speed to the minimum at which she can be kept on her course. She shall, if necessary, take all her way off and in any event navigate with extreme caution under danger of collision is over.